Close up here. I just fucking super overgrown.
Can you see it?
No, I can't see it yet. I'm trying to make my way toward it. I got the beeper on it though, listen. I just ain't trying to get tetanus up in this motherfucker. So fucking close to it.
Oh yeah. I think it's on the ground right there in front of you. Yeah, it's straight ahead like 10 feet.
I hear it.
Can you see it?
No, I can't see it yet.
I see it sitting on top of the tree.
I see it. How the fuck am I gonna get out there? Alright, I know where it's at.
It's like laying on top of that shit.
Alright, I just hit the kill switch on the beat on it. Yeah, this is gonna be... Dude, I know exactly why I fell asleep.
Dude, at least you go this drink.
There's a yeah, I looked at it as I was falling to the ground. Dude, this is wild. What the fuck?
I know.
Oh my god, dude, I'm like right by it. I can't believe it's stopped right here. Dude, it is... Oh, in my hand.
Yep.
That was almost in the fucking shit. Look what I just climbed through. I don't even know how the fuck I'm getting out of here. This is fucking crazy shit, man. Fucking god. Damn it. Oh. Alright, there's my radio. Dude, I know exactly what happened. My shit came unplugged. My UFL came unplugged. Yeah. God damn it.